വേദനയില്ല, പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ടൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ടിരിക്കണം. അഴിച്ചളഞ്ഞാലോ കുഴപ്പമുണ്ടാവില്ലല്ലോ. ഉണ്ടേ ഞാൻ ആ ആ Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. 7A. Okay, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Shall we start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Okay, children. Last class we have discussed about the social and political changes, right? That we have discussed. Yes. And mute your audio. Mute your audio. And Krishna Kripa, can you tell me the technological changes happened during the medieval period? Krishna Kripa, can you hear me? Krishna Kripa? Angelia, tell me, dear. The technological changes happened during the period.
Persian wheel.
Yeah, Persian wheel. Angelia is talking now. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but I am not getting any response.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
Persian wheel,
Yes, Persian wheel in irrigation. Then
spin wheel, sieving,
spinning wheel in weaving.
weaving,
Yes. One more is there. Firearms in
Combat.
Okay, that were the technological changes that happened during the medieval time. Firearms in combat, spinning wheel and Persian wheel. Okay, and some new types of foods arrived here in the subcontinent. Yes, which are they?
potato, corn, chilies, tea,
Chilies and
tea and
beverages
coffee.
like
Tea and coffee.
Okay. And during this time, a section of people become very important and prominent in the society. Among them, one section we have discussed that were about Rajputs. Okay. Rajputs, the term derived from Rajaputra, the meaning
Son of a ruler.
Okay, and these people were served in the armies, okay, as commandos and soldiers. Okay, soldiers, and very famous. They were very famous for their valor and loyalty to their masters. Okay, and these people claimed Kshatriya status. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Then other than this Rajaputs, Marathas, okay, Ahams, okay, all these were the group of particular sections, okay, group of particular people that were Ahams, Marathas, Sikhs, Kayasthas, I have told you,
Secretaries.
scribes were working as secretaries. These people become prominent during the medieval period. Is it clear, children, these points? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall
Yes,
we
ma'am.
move to the next portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So So next, the important change happened. This period was the gradual clearing of the forest. And people started to do agriculture. Okay, so this period witnessed a major change, okay, in the field of agriculture. That means people began tilling the land.
Ma'am,
And
these questions in which page in the textbook, ma'am?
yeah, it was explained earlier.
Ma'am, page number?
Page number 8, I think. Page number 8.
7.
Yes. This
Thank
period,
you, ma'am.
Okay. This period, there was a clearing of the forest and people started to practice agriculture. They till the land and they become peasants. Okay. And when they cleared the land, the forest dwellers were pushed out from the forest. Okay, pushed out from their habitat. I have told you habitat means the environment which they lived, because the forest dwellers merely depending upon the forest for their survival. They ate the roots, leaves, and they were confined into the forest only. Okay, so these forests were cleared for the agriculture purpose, so that people came out from the forest and some people migrated from there. Okay, some till the land, some were tilling the started to tilling the land and become the peasants. Okay, and you know this people become an important part in the society. These peasants become an important part in the society. Okay, they began to be influenced by the markets. Means the things they produced, they were started to sell in the markets, and these people were influenced by the temples. Okay, so these peasants become an important, influential part in the society. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see, children, during this time, I mean, still that time there were merely hunter-gatherers, forest dwellers were there. Okay, so this period, this medieval period is the time, means they changed, means they came out from the forest and the people started to produce. Okay, and they become an influential part of the society. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And the important thing was that they were required to pay the taxes. We are paying the taxes to the government, right?
Yes.
In the same way, these people also started to pay the taxes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is chieftains?
I mean, an important person. Important
Okay,
person in the society. Yeah. That you mean by chieftain. That is, there will be someone who is very prominent and powerful, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Head, like a head.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Wait, let me take that PPT, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, this what I told you, what we were discussing. Yes, this peasants become an important section in the society. Okay.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Amna, am I audible to you? Wait. Not responding. Something happened. EB. Okay. Okay, the society become means more developed. Okay, the peasants become an important part of the society, and these peasants were required to pay the taxes. That is an important change happened during this period. They were required to pay the taxes. So after this chapter, we will start with the geography. Very simple chapters. Okay, not like confusing terms like this history and politics. Okay, it's very simple and easy for you to study. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. During the medieval time, there was a gradual clearing of the forest and extension of agriculture. Okay, the people started to practice agriculture and they started tilling the land and become peasants.
Ma'am, can you say one more time what is peasants?
Those who are doing farming and all, okay,
Okay,
like
ma'am. Okay.
farmers.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am. Thank you,
so
ma'am.
these people started tilling the land and they become the peasants. And the important things as society become developed, okay, these peasants become an important section or powerful section in the society. They were influenced by regional markets, temples, monasteries, etc. And these people were required to pay taxes. Note it down, children. It is an important point. The peasants
Ma'am,
were
this full.
required to pay. The peasants were.
Ma'am, we have to write this full.
Yeah. No. Just write about this one. Only which points I have marked.
Circled one.
Yes, circled. And these peasants were required to pay the taxes and have to offer goods and services to the local lord. What do you mean by goods? Goods and services.
And the crops.
Yeah, which they produced. Okay, goods and services means any kind of jobs or they will provide some services to the local rulers. Local lords means local rulers. So these peasants become an important section in the society. They were required to pay the taxes and also they have to offer goods and services to the local lords. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
okay, children, as a result, economic and social differences emerged among the peasants. That means that some peasants were were very rich and powerful. Some possess more productive land. Okay, that peasants may be rich, very rich. Okay, and some possess cattle. Okay, so society was differentiated on the basis of their social and economic background. Social and economic background.
Smaller.
Children, please mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So these peasants were required to pay the taxes and they were offered goods and services to the local lords. Okay, and there was a difference, means social and economic differentiation was happened during the medieval period. Okay, means some possess more productive land, some were kept cattle. Okay, some were very powerful in the society. So there was a difference. Okay, among these peasants on the basis of their social and economic background, and society was, yes.
Ma'am, of what is this points and all? Gradual clearing of that one only points.
Yeah, just you need to understand about the changes only. Okay, so by this, what I meant is there was development of agriculture, okay, in the field of agriculture. And the people, how the people were divided, means they were grouped
On the basis of social and
okay,
economic
yeah, and
Okay, ma'am.
social and economic background. Based on their social, means it become differentiated, and the people were grouped into jadis or subcaste. Important change. People were grouped into jadis or subcaste. And ranked, and they were ranked on the basis of their occupation and background. How the society were differentiated? How the society were differentiated?
On the basis of their occupation and
The basis of their
Their
description
occupation
and
and
background.
background. Because some possess more productive land, some were kept cattle, okay, and so there was a means much wider means difference between the rich and the poor. Okay, some were very powerful. So as a result, society was differentiated on the basis of their social and economic background. Okay, and the people were grouped into jadis. An important change. This is an important point. You have to note it down. The people were divided into jadis or subcaste. Okay, and were ranked on the basis of their occupation and background. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and ranks were not fixed permanently. We have talked about ranked. They were ranking, okay, on the basis of their occupation and background. But these ranks were not fixed permanently. It may be changed from area to area. Means the wealth, the power, the influence of it may be depends upon the power, influence of the members of each judge. Okay, let me explain something more. Okay, children. So what I have discussed is that, okay, so we have to follow the rules and regulations set by our religion. Okay, the same way this jadis, okay, they also have some rules and regulation to manage the contact of their members. Okay, and these jadis, the members were ranked, means the ranks were fixed
On the basis of
jadis, and it was not fixed permanently because it was varied depending upon the power, influence of the members of each jati. Okay, so so children, jadis were the people who were grouped on the basis of their social and economic background. Okay, and they framed their own rules and regulations. Okay, they framed their own rules and regulation. These were the people were grouped into jadis and subcaste, and they were ranked on the basis of their occupation and background. And the next important point, that is about Jadi Panchayat. Jadi Panchayat means that each Jadi framed their own rules and regulations to manage the contact of their members. They framed their own rules and regulations to manage the contact of their members. That's what I have told you. In our religion, we are following a set of rules and regulations. The same way, each Jadi, okay, they had their own rules and regulation to manage their members. And it was enforced by an assembly of elders called Jadi Panchayat. What do you mean by assembly of elders?
eating.
Elders, prominent persons in that particular Jadi, very important prominent persons. Okay, they will meet and they will enforce these rules and
Ma'am,
regulations.
enforce means?
Conduct. They will enforce means make into practice. Okay. So these people, that means Jadi Panchayat, okay, was an assembly of elders, enforced the rules and regulations of each Jadi. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Someone
ma'am.
said no. Okay, so let me explain once again. Okay, Jadis framed their own rules and regulations to manage the conduct of their members. Okay, and these rules and regulations was enforced by an assembly of elders called Jadi Panchayat. Parvati, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me about Jadi Panchayat?
And they frame their own rules and regulation
Yes.
to manage the members. They enforce the rules
It was
in
enforced by
assembly.
an assembly of elders, that is
Jadi Panchayat.
Jadi Panchayat. Is it clear, children? All others, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but Jadis has to follow not only this rules and regulations of this Jadi Panchayat, they also have to follow the rules set by the village also. Means in which village they were residing. Okay, so in each village also they have some set of rules and regulation that also has to follow this. Here also Jadi Panchayat is there to enforce, okay, the rules and regulations, okay, whether they are following, whether the members of each Jadi is following these rules and regulations or not. Okay, so Jadi Panchayat. Is it clear? Any doubt in this portion?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Let me revise the points. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
During the medieval time, there was a gradual clearing of the forest, and the people began to start agriculture. Okay, and they became peasants. Okay, forest dwellers were pushed out from the forest. They began to migrate to some other places. Some started tilling the land and some become the peasants. Okay, as society become more developed, okay, these peasants become an important part of the medieval society. Okay, and they were required to pay the taxes. They need to offer goods and services to the local lords. And this section began to be an influential section in the society, these peasants. Okay, then as a result, what did happen? Society was differentiated. Okay, there was social and economic difference was existed. Some possess more productive land, some possess cattle, some combined artisanal works. So some people become very powerful. Okay, so the society was based on the social and economic difference. It was differentiated. Okay, then these people were grouped into, as a result, the people were grouped into Jadis or subcaste based on their occupation. Okay, is it clear, children? Based on their occupation and background. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
and were ranked on the basis of their occupation. Ranks were not fixed permanently. It may be changed depending upon the area. Okay, and also the power, influence of each member of the Jadi. Okay, and there was Jadi Panchayat, an assembly of elder. Okay, means Jadis framed their own rules and regulations to manage the conduct of their members. Okay, and it was enforced by an assembly of elders. There was a question in our textbook about this Jadi Panchayat. Okay, how were the affairs of Jadis regulated? Okay, today I will send the answer to this question. So, Jadis frame their own rules and regulations to manage the conduct of their members. Okay, these rules and regulation was enforced by an assembly of elders called Jadi Panchayat. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and but they have to follow not only the rules set by the jadis, they have to follow the rules set by the village.
Village.
Okay, and several village had a chieftain, means one chief and prominent person is there to lead that village. So these people has to follow both the rules set by the jadis as well as the rules set by the village.
Village.
Clear? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Habitat means what?
Yes.
Habitat means what?
What?
Habitat means what, ma'am?
Habitat, the place we means the environment which we live. Okay, that means habitat of a fish is
Water.
Water.
okay. The same way a forest dweller. Okay, forest dweller. When will our class will
11:25.
725.
5 more minutes. Let me revise the points again, children. Okay. Okay. So during the medieval time, new technological changes happened. Okay, among them, the most important was
Persian wheel.
Afin, tell me the technological changes happened during the medieval period. Hamad Afin. Abhinav Bijoy, can you tell me? Abhinav Bijoy? Can you tell me the technological changes happened during the medieval time?
Persian wheel in irrigation.
Yes.
Spinning wheel in weaving.
Yeah, spinning wheel.
In weaving. Fire
and compact. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Then a section of people who become prominent during the medieval time. Okay, and among them, the most prominent among them was Rajputs. Okay, and Rajputs. And what was the term Rajput means?
The son of a ruler.
That means Rajaputra. Okay, the term derived from Rajaputra, meaning son of a
ruler.
Okay, and they were served as
Kshatriyas.
Soldiers or commanders.
Soldiers and commanders.
Yes, they were served as commanders and soldiers in the armies of the different rulers or the monarchs. Okay, and other than this Rajaput, certain other section of groups also become prominent.
Sikhs, Marathas.
Marathas, Sikhs, Ahams, Kayasthas.
Sikhs, Ahams, Kayasthas. Kayasthas meant that?
Secretaries.
People who were like scribes, okay, and were acted as secretaries. Okay, then the other major change happened during the medieval time was the clearing, means gradual clearing of the forest, and people started to practice agriculture. Very good. They have started to practice agriculture, and the forest dwellers were forced to
from that place.
Yes, they were pushed out from the forest, and people started tilling the forest, and they become peasants. And gradually, these peasants become an important, powerful section in the society. They were required to pay the
Taxes.
Good. They were to pay the taxes, and also they will offer goods and services to the
local lords.
Yes, and as a result, some possess more productive land, some kept cattle. Yes, so these people become on the basis of their economic and
Occupational and economic background.
Society was differentiated. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Society was differentiated, and they were grouped on the basis of their Jati okay, and there was Jadi Panchayat. Okay, who can tell me about Jadi Panchayat?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Can I say?
Tell me, dear.
Assembly for managing the members.
Yes, an assembly of elders to manage the conduct of each members of the Jadi. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Jadis frame
Yes,
their own
ma'am.
rules and regulations. These rules and regulations was enforced by an assembly of elders called Jadi.
Jadi Panchayat.
Okay, till it is clear to you?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One more period is there for today. Okay, so we will discuss more about the medieval period in the next period. Till then, bye children.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.